Welcome back to Trusted Nose with the man that likes to smell good. I hope you're well, in good health, and of course, smelling great, smelling tanta, moisin, just smelling. So, I've got a niche haul video today, but I've just realized something, that I'm a fantastic fool, yeah? I'm a prick. And let me tell you why. So all of these fragrances, they're bangers, but they're for cooler, colder weather. So I can't really wear them right now. But remember one thing in life, yeah? If you fail to prepare to fail. Yeah? So apply this to this situation, yeah? I'm ready for the colder weather. So who's the real winner? It's me. But anyway, I'm doing too much talking. I'm ready. I hope you're ready. So boy, let's go. So I'm gonna keep this video nice and short. So I'm gonna start off with Vanille Havane by Les Indémodables. Hopefully I said that right, but boy, this juice is good. And it's so funny, when I first tried it, I didn't like it. I was just like, oh, it's like, it was so like thick, and it had so much like depth, like too many layers. I was just like, nah, it wasn't for me. Came back to it like a month later. I was just like, what? Nah, you're a fool for not liking it the first time. So I had to go and get a bottle. So basically with this one, it's very chocolatey, but it's not too sweet. And it's got this like medicinal type of smell and rum or booziness going throughout the whole fragrance. So it's an interesting one. It's not for everyone, but it's for me, yeah? And the way I feel when I wear this fragrance, man, I feel like a boss, man. So intoxicating. And that is Vanille Havane. You'll probably get a video of that later. We got Santel Astral by Matiere Premier, and I was gifted this bottle. And boy, it's only good, yeah, because listen, yeah, this juice, such high quality, beautiful stuff. You'll get a video of this like probably like next week or upcoming weeks, well, sometime soon, yeah. But this is for sandalwood lovers only. If you don't like sandalwood, my friend, door's right there, mate, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, this is literally for me. It's like creamy, powdery, got like this like sweetness as well. It's like perfectly unisex in my opinion. Maybe a little bit more masculine, but sometimes it's a little bit more feminine. So that's what I'm saying, it's unisex, but beautiful. I tried the whole house, but this literally, I kept on going back to it. So this was for me, yeah? There's a bit of me, all right? Next up, I had to do it, man. I had to get Halfeti Cedar, man. I had to get this juice. Oh, another banger. I told you in one of my previous videos that this is a banger. I can't say something's a banger and not get a bottle. Like, what? Anyway, like I said before, I still stand by what I said before. It's like the winter version of Halfeti, but they added extra like oomph. They added like a different type of edge. And I get this like kind of like coffee smell to it as well now. And it's just smelling good. Like, boy, the way I'm gonna wear this in autumn, winter, just be prepared. So yeah, that's Halfeti Cedar. Next up is one fragrance that I haven't actually smelt yet, but that is Penhaligon's Monsieur Beauregard. And I'm thinking of doing like a first impressions video on this. I looked at all the notes and the notes seemed like it was something that I would like. So yeah, I got it in promotion with my Halfeti Cedar. So yeah, hopefully this is good. Apparently it smells like Jazz Club and it smells like Valentine warmer, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. And also as well, I just need some help. Like, this is, the animal on this here is a hen, right? Or is it a rooster? A hen is a male chicken, yeah? Yeah? Comment down below, like, help me out. Like, I'm 100% sure this is a hen, but if not, please educate me. But either way, yeah, they all taste good, yeah? When you cook it up, you add some seasoning as well. Beautiful. But yeah, that is Monsieur Beauregard. So we got the best till last. Look at the packaging. Just take it. Look at that. Beautiful. Initio side effects. My face screw up. That's how you know the juice is good. My face screw up. I'm not wearing it today. But boy, this juice, yeah, 10 out of 10. I need to figure out how I want to translate this review onto you, yeah? Just know that there's gonna be a lot of passion, a lot of shouting, and a lot of sweat, probably. I don't know, it could be hot in a few weeks' time. But boy, the time isn't right for me to drop the review or film it, but when I do, it's gonna be a good watch, yeah? It's gonna be a good watch. Initial side effects, yeah? 10 out of 10 fragrance. That's all I'm saying right now. I already done a sample testing video, so you can go and check that out. But right now, all I'm saying is that it's a 10 out of 10. So, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll be much appreciated. Also, follow me on Instagram, trusted_knows. And you know what I'm gonna say. More videos out soon. And of course, stay blessed.